Let's solve this question on civil service past question review. The question says the product of two numbers is 120. Sum is what? 26. Find the larger number. So what we are going to do that, what do you mean by product is, let's say the number is what? AB is equals to what? 120. That means A times B is equals to, that is by product. Why sum? A plus B is equals to 26. So let's say, and we call this one equation 2. Let's say from here, from equation 2, we want to make A the subject of the formula. So what we are going to do is we are going to say A is equals to 26 minus B. We can call this one equation 3. So we want to make A, so we are going to put this A here. Anywhere we see A, we put this 26 minus B. So from equation A1, which is what? A times B, we are going to say 26 minus B into B is equals to 120. But we are using this B to multiply 26B, 26 times B will give us 26B minus what? B squared. That is B times minus B will give us B squared. Everything is equals to what? 120. Right? So at this point we can decide to write this equation as, let's cross everything to this side. So we can decide to have 120 minus 26B plus B squared is equals to 0, and we can write to B squared minus 26B plus 120 is equals to 0. So at this point we are going to look for two numbers that when we times, that will give us 26, and when we multiply, that will give us what? 120. I think that number is going to be B squared is equals to minus 20 minus 20B minus what? 6B. That is 20 times 6 will give us 120, and minus 20 minus 6 will give us what? Minus 26. Then we now have plus 120 equals to 0. So at this point we can say B squared minus 20B, we close our bracket, minus 6 into what? B, let's do it like this. So we are going to have 6B plus 20, everything is equals to 0. So at this point we are going to factorize. We have B squared and we have what? Minus 20B. So what did they have in common? B will be out. We have B minus 20. Then this one is what? 6 will be out. We have B. Now 120 divided by 1 plus 20, 120 divided by 6 will give us what? Minus 20B is equals to 0. So by looking at this equation now, we are going to pick, because of chance, so we are going to pick what? B. We'll pick B minus 6, B minus 6, and we'll pick what? B minus 20 equals to 0. So to get B, we can say B minus 6 is equals to 0, or B minus 20 is equals to 0. So at this point, what we are going to do is our B now is equals to 0 plus 6, or B is equals to what? 20 plus 0. So B is equals to 6, or B is equals to 20. So now, and when we add these two numbers, we are going to get 26. And when we times, we are going to get, so the larger number there is what? 20, which is what? The answer is C.